The best gaming mouse can give you the edge when you need to win in Valorant or Fortnite. So in this video, we will take a look at the best gaming mice available in the market at a pocket-friendly budget. With that said, let's get started. The MF Tech has a fairly aggressive style with a top-notch gaming feel to it. The logo at the back changes its color according to the DPI set. It is most suitable for right-handed person as it does not have ambidextrous design. The mouse comes with a meter-long cable which is necessary for free movement. This mouse has 4 DPI in it. It can vary from 800 to 2000 DPI, which I think is pretty cool for the price range. The mouse has 4 different colors: rose, blue, purple and red, and the DPIs which can be set are 800, 1200, 1600 and 2000 respectively. DPI or dots per inch is the sensitivity at which your mouse moves. The lighting on the mice can be turned off easily by pressing the macro buttons and the DPI button simultaneously. The mouse is entirely made of plastic and it feels a little heavy. The mouse feels durable and well built. There is no rattling noise when using the mouse. The mouse glides very well and the click feels smooth and satisfying. Its ergonomic design keeps my thumb wrapped around its side, naturally resting upon the edges of the customizable macro buttons. It is good to have multiple buttons within the reach, and the thumb's location makes it easy for me to push the mouse around using just my wrist. Most importantly, of all wired gaming mice that I have used in the past, this felt like a more natural extension of my arm. One thing which I hate about this mouse is the place where they have positioned the rapid fire button, which is pretty unusable. Other than that, there are no flaws in the design. This design gives me enough space on its right side to keep my ring and pinky fingers from dangling off the side and dragging the mousepad with it. That is something I didn't know I wanted out of a mouse until I started using this one. The scroll wheel is not as good as I want it to be. It is not smooth as you would expect it to be. You wouldn't notice it once you get used to it. Due to its enormous size and fairly huge body, MF Tech mouse is better suited for people with large and medium hands for palm grip. People with smaller hands won't feel comfortable as your fingers won't even go past the scroll wheel. With the claw grip, people with small hands find the mouse to be too large. When curling up your fingers, even people with large hands should feel comfortable controlling this mouse. I'm talking about people with really large hands. The MF Tech's mouse is not as portable as you think. It is a bit bulky, so you won't be able to toss it in a laptop bag and carry it with you. It also has a long cable, so it is quite easy to mess things up in your bag. Also, the cable is quite sturdy, so it doesn't like to be rolled up. The gaming mice has an optical sensor, which is enough for casual gaming. The click latency is faster than I expected it to be. Casual gamers won't feel any delay while playing. You can reprogram every button on the MF Tech mice to whatever you like, even the scroll up and down with an external software called the Xmouse. I will have the link in the description box down below for the application. The mouse can also be used for photo and video editing. You can customize your buttons according to your needs, which makes it an excellent choice for the editors out there. All in all, this is a fantastic mouse for gaming and working on a PC or a laptop. It is fast, crisp and also has a great value for money. The only thing that lets it down is the scroll wheel and the mouse clicks. I would prefer it to be smoother and silent. This is not the most comfortable option out there, maybe because it is a bit bulky, though it is tough to beat if you just want a simple versatile gaming mouse. That's it for today guys. See you again in a later video. Until then, this is Hari signing off.
But that's alright. Hush.